The 12 Jyotirlingas are highly revered temples dedicated to Lord Shiva, where he is worshipped in the form of a Jyotirlinga, representing the supreme, infinite light. The stories associated with these shrines are deeply rooted in Hindu mythology and are believed to have originated from various divine acts performed by Lord Shiva. Below is a brief description of each Jyotirlinga, along with its associated mythology. 1. Somnath Jyotirlinga, in Gujarat. Story. The Somnath Jyotirlinga is said to be the first among the 12 Jyotirlingas. According to legend, the moon god Chandra, Soma, was cursed by his father-in-law, Daksha Prajapati, to lose his radiance. He worshipped Lord Shiva here, and as a result, Shiva restored his lost brilliance. Hence, the name Somnath means, Lord of the Moon. 2. Mallikarjun Jyotirlinga, in Andhra Pradesh. Story. This Jyotirlinga is located on Sri Shala mountain. It is associated with the story of Lord Shiva and goddess Parvati's son Kartikeya, who left Mount Kailash after losing a race to his brother Ganesha. Lord Shiva and Parvati followed him and took residence in this location, manifesting as the Jyotirlinga. The temple represents both Lord Shiva, Mallikarjun, and goddess Parvati, Brahmaramba. 3. Mahakaleshwar Jyotirlinga, in Madhya Pradesh. Story. Located in Ujjain, the Mahakaleshwar temple is associated with the story of a demon named Dushana, who tormented the people of Avanti. Lord Shiva appeared in his fierce form as Mahakala and destroyed the demon, thereby protecting his devotees. The temple is one of the few Jyotirlingas where the idol of Mahakaleshwar faces south, symbolizing Shiva as the Lord of time and death. 4. Omkareshwar Jyotirlinga, in Madhya Pradesh. Story. Situated on the banks of the Narmada river, Omkareshwar Jyotirlinga is associated with the story of King Mandhata, who meditated to please Lord Shiva. Shiva appeared and blessed him, manifesting as the Jyotirlinga. The temple gets its name from the word Om, a sacred Hindu symbol representing the universe's primal sound. 5. Kedarnath Jyotirlinga, in Uttarakhand. Story. Kedarnath, located in the Himalayas, is one of the holiest pilgrimages in India. The Jyotirlinga here is associated with the story of the Pandavas from the Mahabharata. After the Kurukshetra war, the Pandavas sought Lord Shiva's forgiveness for their sins. Shiva, not wishing to forgive them easily, disguised himself as a bull. When the Pandavas recognized him, he tried to disappear into the ground but was caught by Bhima. The hump of the bull remained above ground and became the Kedarnath Jyotirlinga. 6. Bhimashankar Jyotirlinga, in Maharashtra. Story. The Bhimashankar Jyotirlinga is located in the Sahyadri hills and is associated with the tale of a demon named Bhima. According to legend, Bhima, the son of Kumbhakarna, Ravana's brother, created chaos in the region. Lord Shiva, after a fierce battle, destroyed the demon and resided here in the form of the Jyotirlinga to protect his devotees. 7. Kashi Vishwanath Jyotirlinga, in Uttar Pradesh. Story. The Kashi Vishwanath temple is located in Varanasi, one of the holiest cities in Hinduism. According to legend, Varanasi is the city where Lord Shiva himself resides, making it the city of light. It is believed that anyone who dies in Kashi attains liberation, moksha. The temple has been destroyed and rebuilt several times throughout history and holds immense significance in Hindu culture. 8. Trambakeshwar Jyotirlinga, Maharashtra. Story. The Trambakeshwar temple is located near the source of the Godavari river. According to legend, the sage Gautam performed severe penance to bring the river Ganga to his hermitage. Pleased with his devotion, Lord Shiva appeared and released the river from his matted hair. Shiva is worshipped here as Trambakeshwar, the Lord of Three Eyes. 9. Vaidyanath Jyotirlinga, in Jharkhand. Story. The Vaidyanath Jyotirlinga, also known as Baidyanath, is associated with the story of the demon king Ravana, who was a great devotee of Lord Shiva. Ravana performed intense penance and offered his 10 heads to Shiva as a sacrifice. Pleased with his devotion, Shiva appeared and cured Ravana, earning the name Vaidyanath, Lord of Physicians. 10. Nageshwar Jyotirlinga in Gujarat. Story. The Nageshwar Jyotirlinga is associated with the legend of a demon named Daruka, who imprisoned a Shiva devotee named Supriya. When Supriya prayed to Shiva, the Lord appeared in the form of a Jyotirlinga and destroyed the demon, freeing his devotee. The Nageshwar Jyotirlinga represents the protection of Shiva over his devotees from all evils. 11. Ramanathaswamy Jyotirlinga in Tamil Nadu. Story. The Ramanathaswamy temple is located on Rameshwaram Island, and its legend is linked to the Ramayana. After defeating Ravana in Lanka, Lord Rama worshipped Shiva here to absolve himself of the sin of killing Ravana, a Brahman. He asked Hanuman to bring a Shivalinga from the Himalayas, but when Hanuman was delayed, Sita fashioned a Shivalinga out of sand, which became the Ramanathaswamy Jyotirlinga. 12. Krishneshwar Jyotirlinga in Maharashtra. Story. The Krishneshwar temple, located near the Ellora caves, is associated with the legend of a woman named Kusuma, a devoted worshipper of Lord Shiva. She used to make a Shivalinga out of clay every day and worship it. Jealous co-wives killed her son, but her prayers to Lord Shiva revived him. Lord Shiva manifested as the Krishneshwar Jyotirlinga and blessed her. These 12 Jyotirlingas are considered powerful spiritual centers, and visiting them is believed to bring liberation, spiritual growth, and blessings from Lord Shiva.